Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a small haul to share with you, and days 9, 10 and 11 from my surprise advent calendar from the family. So first thing is I'm going to share is a small haul with you. It is literally going to be quite a tiny haul. I popped into Home Bargains and picked up a few bits. So I'm going to move these to one side. Okay. So the first thing I picked up was some of these stickers. I haven't seen these in there before. So these are like, they're not foam, but they're quite like puffy. So you get these ones, and then these ones are kind of like layered, like 3D kind of ones, and then those, they I think were 79p. And then I got these. I thought these were really pretty. So you got this snow globe one, like fairies, gingerbread. Like I said, last time I went they didn't have these, so I think these are new in. So yeah, got those. Then picked up my little one a new elf. It seems to be the thing at the moment. He seems to get a new one every year. Every year a new elf comes. I don't know if people do elf on the shelf. I know some people do and some people don't, but we do. We're a house that does, a family that does elf on the shelf. So yeah, so we picked up this one. They've got a massive one in there, which is like, I think it's £24, the massive one, but at the moment I just don't have anywhere to store him. But this one I think was like £4.99, and he's still a pretty good size, and I thought that was really good for that price. He's got a lot of the little ones, but yeah, so we got him this one this year. I need to come up with a name now for it. So we got that. My boy picked up these. He needed some gift bags. I don't even think he needs them now, but he can always put them away for next year. My eldest boy. So yeah, these were 99p. Really cute Mickey Mouse. I think it's the same on the back. So you got a couple of those. They have some really good, I love Home Bargains for the like wrapping stuff. And then the last thing I picked up was this. I have the boys, the kids always have like Christmas dramas on Christmas Eve. They have a Christmas Eve box, and in one of the things that's in their Christmas Eve box is Christmas pyjamas. So they wake up on Christmas morning in matching pyjamas. I don't always match. I've kind of mixed match. Sometimes they've had all the same. Sometimes the boys have had the same, and the girls have had the same. And sometimes I've done the youngest two in the same, and the older two on the same. But this year I've got the boys in Home Bargains again. They had the Polar Express. And both the boys have got that, and I just thought this was really nice to go with that. I have got they did have slippers to match as well, which I've got for the younger one. The oldest one didn't want he knows what he's got. He's 26, so you know, he was with me when I got him. But I still like for them to have matching pyjamas. Yeah, so I saw this in there. We normally do stockings like in their room under their tree, but I always find you're limited with a stocking. It's so hard to find bits that I know they're going to use to go in their stocking, if that makes sense. You end up buying like little crap bits that they don't necessarily play with and things like that, or they get lost and that. So this year I thought I'd rather them have stuff that I know that they're going to use and want and stuff. And I got the younger ones some books, and they just wouldn't fit in his stocking. They just get all crumpled and stuff. So like he's really into joke books and things like that. As if it's got to do with like a fart or something. My boy loves anything like that. So yeah, so I got him some of those. And I just thought, oh, it'd just be so nice if the kids have got like sacks this year. So I'm trying it out. It's my first year trying sacks instead of stockings. Yeah, so anyway, I picked up this one from Home Bargains. This was £7 or £7.99, something like that. Really beautiful. It's like velvet. Things I'm going to open is the secret advent calendar from my family. So we've got numbers, I'm so behind on this, numbers 9, 10 and 11. Yeah, I've got quite a few to open, but I'm going to open these in this video. So this is number 9. It's been so much fun finding these. I'm now finding them around the house, all in different places around the house now. They're getting creative with where they're leaving them. But this is number 9. Oh, I can see a Christmas die. Oh, this is really cute. This is a Christmas sleigh. Yeah, so it's a cute little sleigh die. That's really cute. I like that. It'll be great on some projects. Yeah. And then this last one is a locket, like padlock. That'd be quite nice for Valentine's. So that's really cool. Yeah. So that's day 9. Then this big one is day 10. I have no idea what could be in here. So take that off. Day 10. Oh wow. It's Kuromi. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, she's huge. I don't know where I'm going to put her. I'm going to have to find a place for her, maybe near my desk. So that's pretty cool. If you see my previous videos, you would have seen that I got some Kuromi pins. And this is a big like plushie of her. Really cute. Yeah. So that was number 10. Stand her there. And then this is number 11. Wow, they're making it harder for me to get into them. So in this one, I can find the end. Ah, here. In this one is a cute, oh that's really pretty. So you've got this bit of the die, it's like a heart, and then you've got this flower in the centre. That's beautiful. And then you've got this outer piece as well. Does this go with it? Hold on. Yes, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah, so that's really cool. So I presume this one would cut out all these little bits. And then the flower. And then this one will cut out the actual heart itself. So really pretty. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you haven't already done so, to hit that subscribe button. It does mean an awful lot. And I will catch you in my next video, guys. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.